Welcome back, welcome back. This is the Learn and Cover Music here, people. And I have a next video for you guys, you know what I mean? I have a rhythm and a dub plate here now, you know? A song from Canada Link me asked me if I can mix one of the dub on a rhythm, on a remix I did back in 2014 on my old channels. You know what I mean? I'm going to leave a link in the description. You guys can go check out the remix I did, and everybody always commenting on the rhythm, and I was telling me, yo, they need to send me the instrumental and they need to send me the remix, and you know what I mean? So, the main instrumental I'm using is a rhythm called Stupid Bull. I don't know if that's the correct name. If all I know that is not the correct name, only can leave a comment in the section and let me know. See? Yeah. So, let me play the rhythm first, you know what I mean? Right now I had the doublet on mute. Let's mute the doublet, you know? Yeah, we gotta play the instrumental. So let me listen to the instrumental, people, you know? Yeah.
Stupid fool. Stupid fool. Stupid fool. You don't frighten me. Stupid fool. Stupid fool. Stupid fool.
Yeah, that's the instrumental in it. It's instrumental and the rhythm, the version is a dancehall rhythm, you know what I mean? I think believe the rhythm came out in 2006. I can't remember the name of the producer who did it, but it's one of the baddest version out there for dubplate. See now everybody tune can fit in it. You can't put a DJ song on a rhythm. See the dubplate I'm gonna play now is one a song in Canada right now. Saying and they asked me to mix it up for them and they know about the channel and they know the channel growing, you know what I mean, and you know, I asked them I go willing to put the dubplate on the internet but without any song name. See? So we gonna mute the instrumental and turn on we're gonna turn on the dub plate. Right now I done single out the dub plate already, people, you know what I mean. See, we gonna just press right here and we just let the dub plate voice now. The name of the dub plate we're using is an artist called Busy Signal. All you not know Busy Signal, you know what I mean. All people who know Busy Signal, this is Busy Signal dub dead so. You know what I mean? The original tune is taste so. But right now we ain't come here to get no big up and we looking for no strike. Seeing? So listen to the dub plate, let me how it song, you know what I mean, all the processing. Right now I think of the EQ and you know what I mean and everything now, you know? Yeah.
Tough chat. Enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so. Enough sound dead, so. Chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so. Enough jump and dead, so. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Action pack some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so.
Right now, yeah. Only hear the dub plate already. See? So what we come to do now is really could show you guys how to like get your vocal to sound like, you know what I mean, like a commercial hit. You know what I mean? This is the only thing I could get your vocal them to really song. I don't have an actual artist here where I could like you have to voice and show you guys some demonstration. But I could use the dub plate and still get the same character like the artists like Migos, Kanye West, Jay-Z. These plugins are using here, you can uplift yourself. Every one of them bedroom artists that looking to mix your song, just follow this video and if you have the same plugins, you know what I mean, you could go check it out. You know, if you have the same plugin, just follow these steps and you're definitely gonna achieve. See? Well, the first plugin we're gonna use now is a plugin called Metric Halo Channel Strip. See? Yeah. You know what I'm going to do right now. I done really did some cuts already to make the vocal song, you know what I mean, tighten up the vocal now, you know. So we're gonna just lead right now. We have the vocal on right now, people, you know. Seeing? So because it's gonna play, we're not gonna touch this yet. We're not gonna touch this plugin yet, you know what I mean. Let me play the rhythm and the vocal for like 30 seconds so you can get a feel of the rhythm and stuff when we start to mix the when we talk, when you play, when you turn on the two plugins on the acapella, on the dub plate, you know, listen to the song with the rhythm.
Enough sound dead, so them
Stupid
a chat,
fool.
no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough sound dead, so
Yeah, man, we stop it right there. You know what I mean? We want to really copyright strike because the lyrics of the song like stay so there now. You know what I mean? I wonder how they saying stay so because I'm a gas strike. Saying, but it's a duplicate using people. YouTube is not a song original song from BZ. You know what I mean? It's just the dead so a song different. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do now, slap on the channel strip as I tell you guys. From using channel strip from Halo. See, what I did was I did some nudge out. You have to subtract first when you want to clean up a vocal. First you have to look for the honkiness inside the vocal. See, we're gonna press right now. We just enable this. You know, to look for something, to look for the resonance, we gotta boost. First you boost and look for you're looking for a weird noise, you know what I mean? You're looking for the weirdest noise in the vocal. So you first you have to click play.
chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
You're hearing like a bass frequency in your voice in the tune because you use a sorry microphone. See, when you use a sorry microphone, you will get results like these, you know. So you, as a producer or an engineer, these are things, or a young engineer, these are things you look for when you're EQing a vocal. Then you have to back off from the boost, you just back off all the way to like -2 or -3. Depends on the vocal of taste. So listen to it.
so enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough jump and dead,
Listen
so
without.
chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that.
Listen within.
Action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them
Listen
dead,
now.
so
Listen how it's song.
enough of them dead, so
Listen again.
enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback.
Bypass.
Enough of them dead,
Listen
so
with on now.
enough of them dead, so
You hearing a
Enough
clear,
jump.
hearing enough of them dead. You hearing more a clear, you hearing a more clear dead than the hearing the bass heavy dead. Seeing that is one part right now. Next part we just gonna EQ and boost again, people. You know what I mean? Looking for the honkiness of the voice. You know, you don't want to take too much away from the dynamic of the tune. You know what I mean? You're just looking for the harshest noise inside of the vocal. Next thing we have to do now is move on to the next one.
enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that. Action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
Yeah, in a whistle song, that is a nasty frequency you don't really want inside of the mix, you know? So what you gotta do is cut now. You just have to cut.
enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
Listen without.
enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay
Bypass
that,
now,
no
there's
mind hear
bypass,
that.
and now listen to on now.
Action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so enough of them
Listen
dead,
with the rhythm
so
now.
enough sound dead, so
Stupid
them a chat,
fool.
no action feedback. Enough of them dead,
Listen
so
without now.
enough of them
Stupid
dead,
fool.
so enough jump and dead, so
Yeah, man. Right now, you coming to our play now. You know what I mean? Next thing we're going to do is put on the IK multimedia. You know what I mean? From T-Rax, white, they call it white 2A. This is LA2A. You can get them in different plugins. UAD had their own bundle. Waves got their own bundle. T-Rax, I just like to use T-Rax because it's light on the machine and it's light on the CPU. See? What we doing, we're trying to get the levels right. You know what I mean? Trying to get the levels just right. Saying we just trying to get the levels up right. So what we gotta do now is to listen.
Chat them a chat, me no pay that no mind. Hear that action pack, some jump and only full of talk. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that no mind. Hear that action pack, some jump and only full of talk. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
easy and level the vocal reach now. You know what I mean? Now we're moving on to the CLA 76, you know. What I did was just leave the attack on 3, the 4, I leave it on 4, and a fast release, you know. Quick release. You know what I mean? And I just, all we just trying to just level the vocal back up to par.
enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
Really and truly, I just trying to get the gain reduction to flick between 0.5 to 1, you know what I mean? So that's all I want, really and truly. Just want the 0.5 to 1, you know what I mean? Listen.
enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that no mind. Hear that action pack, some jump and only full of talk. Enough of them dead, so
Yeah, you see how the vocal will reach so far? So we're going to just take off all the plugins and listen how the vocal reach so far, you know? There's 3 plugins we done use already.
enough of them dead, so enough sound dead, so
Right, now we're going to turn it off and turn back on the plugins, the 3 plugins, so listen how it's song now.
so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so
Now for that, yeah man, you heard the plugin come tap on now. Yeah, next thing we did now is open up. What I did was by giving the vocal some shine and some sheen, because we cut first, no people. Remember we cut. So what I did was I put on a classic equalizer from T-Rex, you know what I mean? And this plugin here, people, you know what I mean, it work wonders, you know. Not every, you know, I've been using it in the past, like when I just started mix and stuff, I started to use this plugin here, and I tell the people, this plugin here, I bypass it, but since I don't have all my plugins around me right now, like the PSP and all of that, so I just run to this here to do this mixing, you know. And when I did this mix, I'm telling the people, I really love it, you know. I had to come and show you guys what I did. See, it's different from a regular vocal chain, but it's something new, you know what I mean? What I did was I did a low cut or low pass on the vocals at 80 hertz, see? And the shelf now, I did it like 116 to 120. See, and I cut it down so the vocal can sound 10 in any mix. So listen how the thing song. See? Let's take off this before I tell you. You know, listen.
enough jump and dead, so chat them a chat, me no pay that no mind. Hear that action pack, some jump and only full of talk. Enough of them dead, so
all I did was I put the shelf, the low shelf on 120, and I just cut it by -6, you know what I mean? That's to tame some of the bass in the voice, really, to give it a nice mellow vibes, you know what I mean? And in the mid range, I didn't touch the shelf. I just give it on the 7K, I give it like a 2.1 dB boost, you know what I mean? To give it give the vocal a presence in the mixing. And the other plugin, all I did is just use a normal presets. The Tri-Pre Atura. I don't know if I see that right. See? And I did the preset of one vocal. I just like how this plugin is sung on the last chain, in the vocal chain, you know. So when I press play,
enough of them dead, so enough sound dead, so chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so enough of them dead, so enough jump.
That song clean when I put this on. It's like the whole vocal chain, the song crisp. You know what I mean? And what I've been doing lately, people, you know what I mean? So I say I had to come and show you guys this video. What I've been doing lately, I've been putting the reverb as I insert to me, when I put the reverb as I insert, you get a better vibes from it, you know what I mean? I get a better vibes from it. When I insert, I have it on the effects channel. When I insert this plugin, I don't know if you know this plugin, Verb Suite Classic from Slate Digital, see? And I did the vocal, tight, bright, and room. That's what I did for the vocal. See? When you first put it on, it gonna be on wet. Listen how it sound on wet. Now listen how it's the vocal song on wet.
Jump and dead, so.
You don't want that vocal a song like that when you're doing that insert, you know. You have to use your dry and wet button. So listen to how it song when it's on dry.
Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no mind hear that.
What you gotta do now, people, is move the dry wet to like 10% for the most, you know. I like to start off at 10% to hear all the vocal song in the mix. And when you do any reverb, you have to put it on 10%. You know what I mean? Put it on 10% if you want to decrease or you want to increase. Then you can know all the vocal song in any mix. So listen.
That action pack, some jump and only full of tough chat. Enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so. Enough sound dead, so. Chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so. Enough jump and dead, so. Chat them a chat, me no pay that, no.
Reason why I like this plugin here because of the gain button here. You can always boost and low down. Listen how when you low down the gain on the reverb. Listen.
That no mind hear that action pack, some jump and
Vocal just disappear.
enough of them dead, so. Enough of them dead, so. Enough sound dead, so. Chat them a chat, no action feedback. Enough of them dead.
Right now, people, it's all that vocals that's come to pan now. Now, all I gotta do now is just mix this down and you're done. You know what I mean? Just follow this step here. This is what I use for my lead vocal, like in a quick process, you know what I mean? By using inserts and all of that, you know what I mean? So, I don't know if all you guys can understand. If you guys understand this tutorial, just leave a comment. If you don't really understand it, if my mic sound like shit, let me know, people, you know what I mean? But I think I fixed the situation with the mic and the talking now. So, moving on, next week I'll try to upload the next video again. If you guys like this video, let's comment and share, you know what I mean? Yeah. Have a blessed day, people, you know what I mean? Yeah.